Although the 10-speed was tuned for performance in the ZL1, it was engineered for smoothness, accuracy, and comfort in the big SUV. What it doesn't do is make the vehicle less thirsty. Fuel economy of the V8, which can deactivate half the cylinders, did not improve with the new transmission. The 2018 Yukon Denali with 4WD gets 14/22 of a mile per gallon in city, highway driving, or 14/21 of a mile per gallon in the longer XL form, and 14/23 of a mile per gallon with rear-wheel drive, compared with the 2017 models 14 to 15/28 of a mile per gallon with four-wheel drive and 15/22 of a mile per gallon with rear-wheel drive.